Hi everybody, welcome back. Today we're going to do an unboxing and review of the Johnsonville Sausage Grill. This contains two grills. Here's the model number, BTG0498. Let's open it up. Sorry. Trying to open this up here. Here we go. Here they are. Johnsonville Sizzling Sausage Indoor Electric Grill. Comes with 2-year limited warranty. So let's pull these out of the box and see what we have. Okay, so let's pull this out. Here we are. That's what it looks like. Nope, hold it the other way. Yep, let's go that way. There it is. Sizzling Sausage Grill. Check it out. There's the box. Came a little beat up. So I'm gonna open this box up, take it out, and I'll be right back. Comes with this use and care manual. It's pretty thick, quite a lot to read through. It also comes with the Sizzling Sausage Cookbook. Shows a few different items that you could prepare with it. And I'll try to put a link below for the single and the double, because what this one was here was it was a buy two option. It wasn't just a single option, and there is a single option, and there wasn't any more of a discount for getting them in two. It's just we're going to probably gift the other one away, but we're gonna try this first and see what we think. Well, look at that, pretty nice looking, I'd say. So you open it up, and you could put 5 sausages, up to 5 sausages, bratwursts. But if you're only going to do a couple, you have to put one in the one slot. And the reason for that is because of this right here. That's a temperature probe for when you close it. It'll probe into the sausage and it'll read that temperature. That way it knows when it's done cooking. Let's see if we can figure out how to take these off. Okay, so right here on the side, there's a little button. And that's how you take them off to clean. It's metal, kind of feels like cast iron. So what I'm gonna do, I'm taking both of these off and the probe stays there, okay? So when you take off the top part, you see the hole, and that's how you know which side goes to the lid. And the other button is right here. You just push that in and you see it pops it up. So we're gonna wash these off, dry them off. We'll plug it in and we'll be back and we'll cook some beer brats, I believe. And we'll see how it does. Thanks. All right, we washed it, dried it off. Just wanted to show you before we get started. When you put them back in, you just click it in. Pretty easy. Where's that? Right here. So when they click in, you'll see there's two things here. Those go down here. That'll go through the hole. And that's it. It's in there. And then we have the drip tray right here. This is how you'll remove it. And if you could see here on camera, there's these little like feet. The drip tray just slides in there, and that'll catch any grease. So when you put your sausages in, or your bratwursts or whatever, you just put that one in the middle. Put them in like so. And if you're only doing a couple, you'll see it, it's numbered here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And the cord is not very long. It's maybe 1.5 feet, 2 feet at the most. It's pretty short. So let's plug it in. Push it down. See if there we go. Lock it into place. And here's the release. And turn it on. So now we're just going to let it cook. It says it'll cook in about 10 to 15 minutes. It is currently 5:38. So I'll let you know when it's done. Thanks. Alright, so I'm going to give you all a little update. It's been about 7 minutes. You can see we're getting a little condensation here on the chrome part. We do have grease dripping into the drip tray, and it's cooking. You can smell it, it's cooking. So we'll be back in a few more minutes and let you know. Alright, so it's been about 13 minutes. It beeped. You can see the power's off, lights off. It's gonna be your and mine first sight here. Let's see what it looks like. And that does take a little bit of effort to undo that. Oh boy, look at that. Look at that. You can see the hole there from that probe. Those look amazing. Those really do look amazing. And look how evenly they're cooked all the way around. I don't know if you ever try to cook a brat on your griddle or your grill, but when you do, it's kind of hard to cook all sides. And so some sides end up more cooked than others, right? Let me grab a fork real fast. These look good, and you can see where it's smashed a little bit here because the brats were a little bit bigger than what this area was. So let's see what the underside looks like. Cooked pretty even all the way around except for that line there, and that's where the lid meets from the top and the bottom. So let me pull up a paper plate real quick. Let me get a knife and we'll cut right down. We'll cut it through the center and see what it looks like. And when you do this, it might be a little pink, but according to that temperature probe, it is cooking to a safe.
There's no pink, and look at the juices.
No pink on that at all. Look how juicy that is. Wow, that's amazing. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put this back in the grill. I'm gonna close the lid for a little bit longer because we're not quite ready to eat yet. But we do want these to stay warm while we finish cooking up. there it is. Johnsonville Sizzling Sausage Indoor Electric Grill. There it is. Temperature probe. No more under or over cooking. Removable cooking plates for easy cleanup. Enclosed design for even cooking. And cooks quickly in 10 to 15 minutes. It did this in 13 minutes. Look at that. I haven't tasted it yet, but I could tell you just by the way it looks, these are going to be amazing. Amazing. Let's see what else we have on the box. It says removable cooking plates. Sear meat to golden brown. I would say let's sear it to golden brown. Temperature probe. Interlessence technology alerts you when sausage is done throughout. It did that. It beeped for us. Enclosed design. Cooks quickly. Cooks up to 5 sausages. Flexible to cook different serving sizes. From 1 and up to 5 sausages. Dishwasher safe. The plates and the drip tray. Let's see how much, we're talking about it, how much grease we got there. It did collect the fat, that's for sure. What else do we have on this? On this side of the box it says, in 1945 the Stayers opened a butcher shop named after their hometown Johnsonville, Wisconsin, and their old family sausage recipe became known for big taste. The Johnsonville Sizzling Sausage Grill takes their delicious sausages and cooks them to perfection. The internal temperature probe knows when the sausages are done, and the grill plates go right in the dishwasher. Now you can enjoy the flavor of outdoor grilling from the ease of your kitchen. There you go, and you could cook either the Italian sausages or the brats, whatever. What kind do you guys like most? Do you guys like brats, or you guys like Italian sausage? I like brats preferably. I like the cheddar wursts. I like the bear brats. We just ordered some green chili ones from our local meat plant here, our butcher shop. So we're gonna try those. Definitely try those in this next. And it says it's dishwasher safe. But as easy as these were to clean, I say you could just clean them in your sink and it would take 2 seconds. But if you want to throw them in the dishwasher, that's fine as well. Once again, guys, thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. See you next time. Bye.